Fionnuala O'Donovan. She's going to sing it with me.